Welcome to the YouTube channel PCMB Tutorials. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn class ninth Mathematics chapter number 2 Linear Equations and Inequations part 9. So in this part we are going to learn about some miscellaneous problems. So our question is solve for x and y where ax plus by is equal to 1, equation 1, and bx plus ay is equal to a plus b's whole square upon b square minus a square minus b square minus 1. Like this is the question. We have to solve this. So we can solve this by any method. First of all, we'll use the method of equating coefficients. Before that, to make our work easy, we'll simplify this term. So the term is a plus b's whole square upon a square minus b square minus 1. We'll take the LCM, so minus a square minus b square upon a square minus b square. This is a square plus 2ab plus b square minus a square plus b square upon a square minus b square. This a square minus b square can be written as a plus b, a minus b. This again will simplify a plus b into a plus b means this will simplify like a square will minus a square will get cancelled, b square and 2b square, b square and 2b square will become 2b square 2ab. We'll take b common, 2b common, so we'll get a plus b upon a plus b in bracket and a minus b in bracket. This will get cancelled. Or else one more thing you can do is, for more simplification, we will take LCM. So we'll get this a plus b whole square, then this. Now we will take LCM, so we'll get minus a square minus b square upon a square plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square minus 2a square minus a square minus b square. So now 2ab will be remaining and a square plus b square as it is. So we have simplified this. So we'll get at the place of this we'll write 2ab upon a square plus b square. We'll multiply b with first equation and a with second equation. So we'll get abx plus b square y is equal to b. Then we'll get abx plus a square y is equal to 2a square b upon a square plus b square. We'll subtract, so this was plus, this will get minus, this was plus, this will get minus, this was plus, this will get minus. This will get cancelled, we'll get b square y minus a square y equal to b minus 2a square b upon a square plus b square. From here we got that we'll take y common. So y in bracket b square minus a square equal to then we'll take the LCM over here. So we'll get after LCM we'll get a square b plus b cube minus 2a square b upon a square plus b square. A square b minus a square b will get minus a square b plus b cube. Means we'll take b common, so we'll get minus a square plus b square upon a square plus b square equal to y in bracket b square minus a square. This and this are same, this will get cancelled. Y will be equal to b upon a square plus b square. This is the value of y. Then value of x would be, we'll take that a multiplied by x plus b into y. Value of y is this equal to 1. By substituting, we'll get the answer of x also, that would be a upon a square plus b square. So this is the answer. I hope I've understood this question. And now let's see the second question in part 10. Thank you for watching this part 9. For any queries and doubt, please join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like, this is the foundation of class. This is the foundation of class 9th. We have covered the foundation of class 7th and 8th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. I hope you have understood till this. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in part 10.